lead to major pain. Pinatake si Aliado. Over to Tubid. Top of the K3. Nope. Rebound. Enrico battles for it. Enrico nataga ni Aliado. Pero Barangay Ginebra now with a twin tower combination on the floor. Menk and Villanueva. And they are controlling the boards.
Kaya naman sila nandyan sa loob to be able to control the boards. You know, these two guys haven't been playing well in terms of rebounding. Well, Eric Menk only in the second game. Itong si Enrico Villanueva. When you look at him, you expect a lot more in rebounding. So, now closing on to the stretch pagdating dito sa ating end ng eliminations and the quarterfinals, mas kailangan na ipakita nila and assert their effort down low. Alam mo naman na kaya ni Enrico Villanueva at alam mo rin na kaya ni Eric Menk. They just need to get things going for themselves.
Split para dito kay Enrico. 7.6 rebounds na sa larong ito. 2-minute warning of the third quarter. 5 nga ba hinahabol dito ng Barako? Willie to Ababu. Dylan's got 8 points. Ligoro Aliado. They swing it over. Nahorda for 3. Bang!
Another 3-point shot para kay Leo Nahorda already with 14 points. And 12 dyan dito sa third quarter.
The Barako Bull faithful up on their feet sa loob ng Smart Araneta Coliseum. Dahil nga naman kumakatok-katok na sila sa pinto ng Barangay Ginebra. Tubid gustong bumawi. 8 to shoot. Ronald looking to extricate himself. No look pass to Labagala. Bang!
Labagala naman 14 points din sa ating laro. Just a great setup job by Ronald Tubid.
Balik sa 5 ang abante ng Ginebra. Nahorda na naman! At this time around, Tubid with a big rebound. Very emphatic clearing space for himself.
Kung meron mga player na efficient, bibihira ang galaw, Ronald Tubid is the opposite.
Sobra naman, ano? Miller to Aliado on the run. Don Carlos delivers. Pick a Solomon foul. And look at Don Aliado Park. The veterans loving the action.
Don Aliado beating the other big guy, Eric Menk, for the 2 points. And he's loving it.
Ang bumangga, giba ang mantra ni Don Carlos Aliado. And we got a 2-point ball game on our hands. Wala na pong 1 minuto na titira sa ating third quarter. Artadi caught reaching in kontra kay Labagala. Pang-4 na team foul yan para dito sa Energy. At sinalubong na masigabong palakpakan si Leo Nahorda sa kanyang bench. Dynamite Danny Siegel. Can he pick up where Nahorda left off? Ayan, makita mo, pinipressure niya si Enrico Villanueva. 10 to shoot for the Gin Kings. Labagala pulls up. Rob couldn't get it. Siegel with a hand on it. Natapik palabas ni Enrico Villanueva. Ababu di discarte. 20 seconds remaining sa third frame. Here's Miller. Backing down against Tubid. They go to Siegel. Jumps it over. Don Carlos delivers.
Big quarter para kay Don Aliado. 9 points. All his 9 points in the game dito sa third quarter.
Naburo man siya sa bench for the first maybe 18 minutes of this game. Pagpasok niya late second quarter at dito sa third quarter, naitabla na niya labanan. Unang-unang deadlock ng ating laro at 67 apiece. .1. Where do we go? Enrico, naku, board lang ang tinamaan.
Well, he had the right idea. 3.1 seconds na lang. There was no play. So, diniretso na niya. They got a shot up. Di lang pumasok. Infectious yung laro ng Barako Bull. 35 points in that third quarter. And they had 8 assists and 3 steals. Totally lording that. At isa lang ang turnover nila sa third quarter.
At ito, nasa Barako na ang bola sa pagbubukas ng ating fourth and final quarter. Ababu to Aliado. Pulls up. Takayon ng tinamaan kasama ng dalawa. Sina Artadi, Salvacion, and Siegel. Binabantayan ngayon sina Cortez, Kagiwa, Mamaril, Wilson, and Tubid. Take a look at the scoring by quarters. Kita mo naman, nakuha nga yung 15 puntos na tambak sa kanila right in that third quarter. At merong iimbestigahan dito dahil may nakita tayo flagrant foul senyas ng ating referees. Pag-aaralan pa naman yan para makasigurado. Pero it looked like it was between Aliado and Mamaril, ano? Patuloy ang init ng aksyon dito sa loob ng Smart Araneta Coliseum. Bakbakan sa pwestuhan to, no? Pag natalo Barako dito, sigurado 7th place na sila. Pag natalo Barangay Ginebra, mag-aantay pa ang Barako. Pero magkakaroon sila ng pag-asa na pumanik outside, beyond that 7th place.
Para sa Barako, aside from them, if they win, number 6 sila if Ginebra loses to Talking Text.
Regular foul, tinawag kay Paul Artadi. Pasali rin pala siya sa gulo na yun.
14 seconds
Barako, pag nanalo sila, they will end up 7-7. And they will end up number 6 kung matalo ang Barangay Ginebra sa Talking Text.
Yun po ang susunod na big game na abangan nyo. This coming Sunday, dito rin po yan, Smart Araneta Coliseum, Talk and Text kontra Barangay Ginebra. What a collision course that promises to be. As Mike Cortez napitin everything but the shot on that sequence. Artadi picks up his dribble. Gets it right back. They swing it over to Ababu. Sino ang unang kukurap dito sa ating fourth quarter? Salvacion. Down low to Seagull. 8 to shoot. Dynamite Danny. Up and under. Dinamita delivers.
Seagull with his first 2 points in the ball game. Nung first half, napigilan siya ni Willie Wilson. Pero itong fourth quarter, magpapakita na ba si Danny Seagull?
Artadi. Bitin. Ababu had a hand on it. Lalabas sa baseline in favor of Ginebra. Kagiwa, nagmamando rito sa Smart Araneta. They want to be patient. Kagiwa off that Mamaril pick. Down low, Wilson jump hook. Nako, wala. Mamaril, wala pa rin. Seagull gets it over to Artadi. Get lightning. Nowhere to go. Turns it over. Leaving his feet without making up his mind. Here's Tubid. Tinagaan. Aliado, that's a personal foul.
Every time you go to the basket, you gotta be ready to shoot. Naging mali nitong si Paul Artadi. When he went to the basket, he was looking to pass. Eh, nung nalibre siya, umikot na siya.
As Ronald Tubid troops to the line for 2. Punta muna tayo kay Aaron.
Magu, sinabi ni Coach Shot Tankitsen na ang rason kung bakit nakabalik ang Barako Bull ngayon ay dahil masyado maraming open shots na hinahayaan lang daw ng mga Kings. No more open looks for anyone. Let's close out on all of them. Balik sa'yo, Magu.
That only means one thing. Mabagal ang depensa ng Barangay Ginebra. And second, maganda ang ikot ng bola ng Barako Bull in the third quarter.
Tubid goes 2 for 2. Tabla na naman ang ating labanan. 69 apiece. 2 minuto ngayon lumilipas sa ating final quarter. Tutok lang kayo. We are set for another wild finish dito sa inyong PBA on a special Thursday evening. Seagull sa poste na naman. Inatake si Wilson. One-handed shot. Vintage Mamaril snatches the rebound. Tubid surveys the floor. Siya na magtatawid ng bola. Tubid leaves it over for Wilson. Mamaril with the rebound. Pang-anim na yun. Cortez. Over to Tubid for a 3. Bang!
Ronald Tubid has been very patient the past few plays. Namamasa siya. This time, siya naman ang hinanap. Naka 3 points. Itong si Ronald Tubid for 6 points.
Diba talaga pag hindi ka mamemwersa ng gusto mong gawin sa court, ano? Mahahanap at mahahanap ka ng bola. Lamang na naman ang tatlong Ginebra, 72-69. Seagull floating in the air. Kagiwa over to Tubid. Spinning baseline. Leaves it over for Wilson. What a move! And a shake by Ronald Tubid. Making things happen para dito sa Barangay Ginebra in the fourth quarter.
Just great plays para kay Ronald Tubid. Broke down the defense. Ito yung 3-point shot ni Ronald Tubid for the lead.
May
At
kasama,
sumunod naman yan. Itong tira ni Ronald Tubid.
pagpasa niyan, may kasamang shimmy shake yan. Ronald Tubid getting it done. Tuwan-tuwa naman ang mga galamay ng barangay sa loob ng Big Dome. Mitis nga lang yung bonus, pero napunta rin kay Will Wilson ang bola. 74 para sa Barangay Nebra, 69 para sa Barako Bull Energy. Tubid once again. Spinning baseline. Lumipad. Huli ka this time around. Dynamite Danny timing that perfectly. Kanya-kanyang turo kung saan nga ba mapupunta ang bola. Mananatili sa Barangay Nebra ang possession.
Gustong makanakaw nitong Barangay Ginebra. But Barako Bull able to play defense.
Kagiwa. Tutubid. Lilipad. The Fearless. Huli ulit. The Fearless pa rin. Aliado clears it finally for Barako. Paul Artadi looking to push it. Artadi looking for Siegel. Turnover na naman. Cortez. Tubid. Hesitation move. Na kaninong bola nakit Don Aliado.
Good defense by Don Aliado. 1-on-3 fast break yun, but he was able to hold the fort.
Salvacion for Dre. No. Helter-skelter basketball being played here. And finally, Mark Agiwa says, let's calm things down.
Ang tamang desisyon ni Mark Agiwa. Let's settle it down dahil hindi tayo nakakapuntos. Kung sa mabilisan, ngayon naman, i-set up natin.
Time out muna para sa Ginebra. 74-69 na bandi sila 5. Wilson looking to attack Siegel. Willie to Cortez for a 3.
If there's one player that's been consistent for Barangay Ginebra, itong si Mike Cortez. Every quarter, meron siyang puntos. 3 in the first, 3 in the second, 5 in the third, and 3 again here in the fourth.
10 dikit-dikit na puntos para dito sa Jim Gates. And finally, Danny Siegel, binasag ang katahimikan. Sinalubong ni Intal. Paring Winnie, hinahanap itong si Siegel. Dynamite Danny. Hand off to Winnie. Pull-up jumper. Arboleda, Mindis, Kagiwa snatches it. Gets it over to Cortez on the run. The cool cat. Huli ka. Wilson keeps it alive. Wilson underneath. And they find Intal. Bitin nga lang yung 3-point attempt niya. Pero Barangay Ginebra with another serving here.
Too many offensive rebounds for Barangay Ginebra.
Kumbaga sa Tagayan, ang dadaya na Ginebra. Puro kanila ang tagay.
Parang
As
ikaw sa
Mark
Tagayan.
Agiwa gets
Parang
the
ikaw
lead.
yan.
Ako na ba ulit? Okay.
Pag natalo naman itong Barako Bull, number 7 na sila. And at twice to win this advantage.
Step back. 3-pointer Miller Mintis. Rebound Ronald Tubid.
Defensive rebound for Barangay Ginebra, not giving up another opportunity para sa Barako Bull.
And Enrico Villanueva didn't want to get fouled. They give it up. They swing it over to Kagiwa. Willie Miller now forced to foul. Ang bilis ng ikot ng bola. Nakapag-aksaya ng oras ang Ginebra. 88-79. Willie Miller scoots in. Gets the layup.
Good quick 2 para sa Barako Bull.
The comment is pareho. May bintanang nagbukas para dito sa Barako. Ababu, they need a quick hit. Whether it's a 2 or a 3, ang kailangan mabilis. Ababu gets those 2 points. And it is just a 5-point ball game.
0.7 seconds left. Kahit na maka-foul ka, and you hope, mas mahirap yung hope na makapag-miss ng dalawang free throw itong Barangay Ginebra.
Eh, fluke na yun ang nakita natin kay Cortez. No? Tignan natin ulit. Barangay Ginebra, now out of timeouts. Intal goes to Wilson, and Willie Wilson will be fouled. Nasuntok pa yata. Pati si Wilson natawa si Willie. Ayun, nabdagukan tuloy si Willie. Lahat sila.
Hindi daw makuha doon sa paikot, doon na lang sa ilalim. 4 out of 6.
Oy, Mintis pareho! Ta-timeout ang Barako. At yung ploy ni Willie na pasagin yung concentration. Ayan, oh, kita mo na, oh. Sabi ni Willie Miller, see, I told you so.
Yan ang familiarity.
Alam niya paano niya. Go to Miller. Thriller for 3. No go. Canaleta bats it. And this is wasting away some valuable time. And this should do it as Siegel gets up a 3. That'll do it. Barangay Ginebra will march into the quarterfinals looking at a best of 3. Barako Bull will end their Philippine Cup elimination round with 3 consecutive defeats. Napakasakit yan after their hot start. And they will have to win twice in order to make the semifinals.
So magandang simula ng Barako Bull in this conference, but nag-sputter sila towards the end of the elimination.